Russian with Passion. Today we're going to continue studying cardinal numbers. We have already touched upon this problem, and that's why if you are at the beginning of your studies and you have no idea how to say in Russian 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and so on, then take a look at my first class devoted to this topic. Today we continue. During our previous class we learned how to say 1, 2, 3 and so on. Let's revise very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it one more time, but now let's include one additional numeral, which is 0, 0. As you know, in English there's 0 and O, and both these words can mean a numeral. 0, O. However, O is used only when you say some numbers, like telephone number and that kind of stuff, because if you say it in other situation you can confuse O as a numeral, 0, with a letter O. In Russian there's just one word, nol. But it can be pronounced as nul. However, it's not that often. Usually we all say nol. So once again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I hope that you repeat it after me. But let's continue. Now we're going to talk about 11, 12 and so on till 20. So, let's start. 11 in English is 11. 11. 12 is 12. 12. 13 is 13. Repeat after me. 13. Then there goes 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15. Then there goes 16, 16, 16. 17 is 17, 17. 18 is 18, 18. 19 is 19, 19. And 20 is 20. Notice that in these words from 11 till 19 there is a suffix 19. And also take a look at the silent letter D. We do not say 11. We say 11. 11. Remember the spelling and the pronunciation. 11. Let's repeat one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In 20, the suffix is different. It is simply tsать. And it also repeats in the word 30. But we are not going to talk about 30, 30, 40 and so on today. There's one more issue I would like to underline, and it is connected with the word один. If you use this word один, one, with a noun, for example you say 1 apple or 1 pencil, if the word is masculine, then you say один. 1 pencil, 1 карандаш. So as you can see, the form is as usual when we simply count один. 1, 2, 3, один, два, три, and we say один карандаш. But if the word which you use with this numeral is feminine, you say одна. So as you can see, the form changes here. And you say, for example, one pen. Одна ручка. Одна ручка. Один карандаш, but одна ручка. If the noun is neuter, the third gender, then we say одно. One apple. Одно яблоко. One apple. Одно яблоко. Одно. Masculine. Один. Один карандаш. Feminine. Одна. Одна ручка. Neuter. Одно. Одно яблоко. Try to memorize that. Also, this kind of pattern repeats when we talk about two, however not completely. Let's take a closer look. We say two pencils. Два карандаша. Masculine. Два карандаша. Like in the way when we count things. Один, два, три, два. Два карандаша. If you use a feminine noun, then you say две. Две ручки. Two pens. Две ручки. The form is changed. But if you use a neuter noun, then the form is the same as in masculine. So you say два яблока. Два карандаша. Masculine. Две ручки. Feminine. And два яблока. Neutral. The situation also repeats itself when we say 21, for example, 21. When your numeral ends with 1 or 2, the situation repeats itself. So you say 21 ручка, 21 pens. So you say 21, not 21. So the numeral can be as long as you would like. For instance, you can say 351 яблоко. 351 apples. So you say 351 яблоко. 351 ручка. And so on. That's the general rule, and it takes place when we talk about 1 and 2, or 51, or 161, or 7,305,551. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. If your numeral ends with 1 or 2, then these rules should be applied. Okay, that's quite much information for one class. That's it. I hope that you learned some new numerals in Russian and it's going to be quite useful for you. Well, if you want to keep studying Russian and English, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, please actually like it. I mean, press the button, because your support is very important for me, because I need to develop so that I could help more people. But that's it for today. Keep studying English and Russian. Stay strong, and well, I hope to see you soon. Happy Russian and English practice. Bye bye. It's not that common. Stop washing yourself. My cat is washing herself and she's doing all those licking sounds. Do you want to wash me? No, she doesn't.